friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Regina and this is Naturally Corporate. So for this wash day, I am doing a twist out and I'm using some products that I have never put together before. They're by two different brands and I don't want to jump the gun, but I think I will have a great dried style when I take these twists out because look how shiny my hair is. This is ridiculous. So far it's given me high hopes. This combination has given me high hopes. Now let me tell you what I'm using. This one you might have already guessed because I have been using it pretty heavy lately. This is the Texture ID Curls Enhancing Primer. This is a leave-in. I wasn't sure if there was a difference between a primer and a leave-in, but actually just a few minutes ago I saw on the back where they refer to it as a creamy leave-in. So it's a leave-in. I am putting it with Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. And this is from the Grapeseed Style and Shine Recipes collection. So like I said, I hope the cat's not out of the bag, but once this dries, I'll know for sure how well these products work together. Now, let me tell you why I am head over heels about this primer. First of all, it smells delightful. It smells like roses. So if you don't care for roses, this may not be quite for you, although it doesn't linger. The scent doesn't linger after my hair is dry. It is a detangler. It says it defines and preps curls for styling. Whew, y'all. And yes, it does. It detangles so well when I was doing these twists. I did the back of my hair already. When I was putting these twists in, I got my hair really nice and wet and then just put some of this on. My fingers glided through my hair. I'm telling you. Don't you hate when you're putting a product on your hair and your fingers get stuck? Well, that will not happen with this. My hair just likes it. It puts moisture in my hair and I really do believe it is a great prep or primer or leave-in to assist with my style, the styler that I'm using for that day. And then this Miss Jackie, well not Miss Jackie's, Aunt Jackie's. So it is enriched with almond oil and marshmallow root. And let me tell you about the smell. It has a pleasant smell. It's not fruity. It's nice, but it's just not one of those really good smelling products. And this you can use for wash and goes. You can use it on twists and braids. And of course, I'm a twist out girl. So we're going to try this today for my flat twist out. All right, guys, so here's where I'm most comfortable doing my hair. In the bathroom, in the big mirror. I can see better. I got huge big lights in here. And it just makes sense. In case I get any product all over the place, the bathroom is the best place so I can wipe it up. All right, so I got my hair wet. Let me wet it a little bit more. And this is just a small section of hair. Normally I would do each individual section that I'm flat twisting. But this section is kind of small. So I'll just do this. Oof, y'all, it smells so good. I keep saying it, but it really does. And if you do this, when you put product on your hair, any product, if you grab a big section, just make sure you go in there and make sure you get it on all of the hair. I don't think I will not ever have this Texture ID on hand. And I'm not the kind of person who typically is obsessed with certain products. But this one here has got me hooked. Y'all look at this. My hair is so shiny. And that's just from the Curls ID primer. I'm telling you, this stuff is crazy. It's insane. Okay, I got the leave-in on. And now I'm going in with the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. This kind of puts me in the mind of, it's clear as you can see. It reminds me of I think it's the Ampro Ice that my girl Raindrops XS turned me on to. So we're just going to get a little bit of this. And just like I did the leave-in, I'm just going to put it on this whole section because it's small. Look at that shine. Oh, and you notice the products are working well together. Nothing is beating up, nothing's clumping up and looking weird, which is what we want. We don't want the weirdness. These products are so good and shiny and making my hair look so good. This is what it's product like these that tempt me to do a wash and go. And I need to just stay away from that because sections of my hair would look really good and some would look really a shame. If somebody told me I couldn't do twist outs anymore, I don't know what I would do. I would be so sad. Hey friends, my twists are dry. I sat under the dryer for like an hour and a half. I had nothing to do. I was relaxing, watching YouTube videos, and just let my hair get dry. All right, now let's see what these products got going on here. I think I have another winner. I know I have another winning combo out of these products. My hair is light and fluffy. You can see it. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. The only little drawback, the only little flaw is this frizzy piece that I have right here. I don't know what happened. Clearly, I must not have applied enough of both products, but I really thought I covered my whole entire head of hair. I don't have hair that shrinks. I don't have hair that curls all the way to the end in some spots. I don't have any heat damage. I just have that, I guess, kind of type 3C hair. So I don't get the shrinkage. I don't get the shrinkage like a lot of you have. And sometimes I'm a little envious, yes. So this is just my hair. My Twistout is very elongated, which, you know, I'm accustomed to it because that's what my hair does, but I really like it. I have a lot of shine. The products worked well together. I figured they would, but like I said before, I know for sure once my hair was dry and I took the twists down. No flakes, nothing. There's actually nothing. And I'm just really pleased that my hair came out the way it did. So I already raved to you about the Texture ID Curls Enhancing Primer or leave-in, so we won't talk about that anymore. But Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls Glossing Curly Jelly. What I love about this is that it did not make my hair crunchy. Look at this. This is not crunch. This is soft, fluffy, voluminous hair. Well, not soft. I have a slight hold, but nothing like other gels I've used, like say Eco. And Eco is really one of the gel lines that I've used the most, and I've used a few different varieties. I don't experiment too much with gels because my hair is fine, and depending on how I apply it, my hair will look like ramen noodles. I'm not lying. It looked just like ramen noodles, but this gel or jelly didn't do that. That is such a hit for me. And because of the different patterns in my head, the different hair patterns, textures, what have you, that's why I stick with twist outs. Wash and goes don't quite work for me. I've tried, and I can get them to come out decent, but twist outs, baby. Love them, love them, love them. I just, oh my gosh, I love my hair, and I'm gonna rock this for the next several days. If you have tried Aunt Jackie's Glossy Curling Jelly, let me know how you liked it. And of course, if you've tried the Texture ID Curls Enhancing Primer, let me know. This combo is a winner. I appreciate you so much for watching. Please come back next time and see what the next combo will be. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.